Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My channel will take you to understand China from different perspectives. I love China's various small alleys and parks. They are full of the flavor of life. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today is May the 13th, 2025, and the weather is wonderful today. I came to a park in the Huaxi district of Guiyang City, Huizhou province. This park is said to be very popular among middle-aged and elderly men, so I decided to come and take a look. I think you know what I mean. There are two young and fashionable beauties up ahead. It looks like they're here to skateboard. There are many elderly people playing poker here. It seems this is almost the only form of leisure for older Chinese people. I don't want to end up like them, just playing poker when I'm old. Did you see those two women wearing red dresses? I imagine you can guess what they're doing here. The two older men next to them seem very familiar with them. They appear to meet quite often. What do you think these women sitting on the ground are doing? Do you think they are resting in the shade? You can see that the older men here all have faces full of smiles. It seems this place truly is their paradise, and they are very happy here. The woman in the dress, you must know what she's doing. That's right. She is waiting for her clients. These two elderly women were also waiting for customers, but it seemed their luck wasn't very good. This woman is selling cemetery plots. In China, this is an industry with even higher profits than real estate. There's a public toilet here. I need to use it first. These two women are also waiting for guests. Did you see those two women? Every man passing by takes a look at them, but I haven't seen them make a deal. Maybe things will be different at night. Did you notice? Most of these women waiting for guests have an umbrella. It seems to have become their signature. Remember her? She came over here. It seems she thinks I'm her target customer. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Did you see that old man? He's walking towards that woman. If she gives him any indication, maybe a deal will be struck, or perhaps the old man just wants to take a closer look at the woman. I doubt, given his physical condition, that he can do anything. This woman seems to be waiting for customers too, but I'm not really sure. Maybe she's just resting here. This woman is here looking for clients, but her luck doesn't seem to be very good. None of the men here have approached her. Maybe it will really liven up here in the evening. This is the woman that hunchbacked old man was observing up close just now. Now I see clearly, although this woman dresses young, she is actually quite old. This woman looks like she just got here and is preparing to find clients, but I have to go. I don't think this place is right for me. I need to head to the next spot. The roadside food stalls mainly sell snacks like grilled tofu and grilled fish. There are many people here in the evening. If you've made it this far, I would greatly appreciate it. To summarize, the women here often quote customers 100 Chinese yuan, which is equivalent to 14 US dollars. This is why these women struggle to find clients. The elderly people here almost certainly won't accept this price. Based on my understanding of these older individuals, they are only willing to pay no more than 50 Chinese yuan, or 7 US dollars. Finally, I guess the woman in front is also here waiting for clients. What do you think? That's all for today's video. In the next video, I will take you to a residential area to explore its unknown side. Thank you.